So today was very exciting. We got the 2021 Numerals arrived this morning in #1 Times Square to be installed on the top of the building after a trip all the way across the country from California to New York City, being towed by a Kia Sorento. Every year it takes a few landmark sign hangers to get them all the way up the building and get them installed on top of the building and get them ready for New Year's. So they got unloaded off of the trailer, and they went into an elevator and came up 22 floors, and then they got hand carried out of the elevator and connected to a winch and brought up 2 more floors in the building. Then they got hand carried another floor up to the roof, to the outside, and then they got connected to another winch, and they got pulled 75 feet into the air to sit on top of the sign and to get installed at the top of the building. So the Numerals are 7 feet tall. They have 526 energy efficient LED lamps in them, and the #1 has 72 total lamps in it. These Numerals are seen by over 1 billion people on TV at home and millions of people during the year if they come to visit Times Square throughout the year. So they have to look amazing.